Welcome to SONI Science World. By this video onwards, I am going to explain the topics of 10th class lessons. Please all of you keep watching my videos. Now we go with our first lesson, that is heat. Before starting the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. In 7th class, you studied the lesson temperature and its measurement. You just recall the experiment done by you with the glass tumblers containing of hot water, lukewarm water and cold water. First you place your right hand finger in hot water and left hand finger in cold water for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you dip both of your fingers in lukewarm water at a time. What do you feel? Though both fingers are in the same glass of water, one finger you feel it cold and the other feel it hot. See how your fingers are confused. It's not possible to guess the hotness of a substance only on the basis of feel or touch. From this experiment, we understood that hot and cold are relative terms, and heat is a form of energy. We use the terms temperature and heat to describe these observations. These words have some special meaning. In order to understand their meaning, let us do some activities. In first activity, take a piece of wood and a piece of metal and keep them in a fridge. After 15 minutes, take them out and touch them with your finger. You observe that piece of metal is colder than the piece of wood. We kept these two things in fridge for same time, but metal is colder than wooden piece. Then what could be the reason for this difference in coldness? Let us find out the answer. When we keep materials in fridge, they become cold. That is, they lose heat energy. When you touch the metal or wooden piece, you feel that they are cold. This means that heat energy is being transferred from your finger to the pieces. When you remove your finger, you don't get a feeling of coldness. This means that when heat energy flows out of your body, we get the feeling of coldness, and when heat energy enters our body, we get a feeling of hotness. So, more heat energy flows out of your body when you touch the metal piece as compared to the wooden piece. That is, the degree of coldness of the metal piece is greater than that of the wooden piece. The degree of hotness or coldness is called temperature. So, we can say that the metal piece is at a lower temperature as compared to the wooden piece when they are taken out of the fridge. So, why does transfer of heat energy take place between objects? Does transfer of heat take place in all situations? What are the conditions for transfer of heat energy? Let us find out answers for these questions. When two bodies are kept in thermal contact, heat energy will be transferred from the hotter body to the colder body. This transfer of heat energy continues till both bodies attain the same degree of hotness or coldness. At this stage, we say that the bodies have achieved thermal equilibrium. The state of thermal equilibrium denotes a state of body where it neither receives nor gives out of heat energy. Let us do another activity to understand the meaning of heat and temperature. Take 2 glass tumblers and fill one of them with hot water and another with cold water. Now, take a laboratory thermometer, observe the mercury level in it and keep it in hot water. Observe the changes in mercury level. You observe that there is a rise in mercury level. This happens because heat got transferred from the hotter body, that is hot water, to the colder body, that is mercury in thermometer. Now place the thermometer in cold water and observe the changes in mercury level. You observe that mercury level comes down. This happens because of the transfer of heat from hotter body, that is mercury, to the colder body, that is cold water. Thus, we define heat as heat is a form of energy in transit, and it flows from a body at higher temperature to a body at lower temperature. The SI unit of heat is joule and CGS unit is calorie. What is calorie? Calorie is the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius. 1 calorie is equals to 4.186 joules. After attaining a certain level, the mercury column will not move. This steadiness of the mercury column of thermometer indicates the flow of heat between mercury and water has stopped. Temperature is a measure of thermal equilibrium. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin, and it can also be expressed in degrees Celsius. 0 degrees Celsius is equals to 273 Kelvin. Then let us know how to convert degrees Celsius to Kelvin. It's very simple. Just add 273 to the temperature in degrees Celsius. Now let us do some examples. First one is convert 0 degrees Celsius to Kelvin. To do this, just we have to add 273 to 0 degrees Celsius. Then we get the answer as 273 Kelvin. So 0 degrees Celsius is equals to 273 Kelvin. Next one is convert 100 degrees Celsius to Kelvin. Here we get the answer as 373 Kelvin. Like this, we can convert degrees Celsius into Kelvin scale of temperature and vice versa. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.